Hello everyone, welcome back to KhmerueTeams official channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to download or save any video from Likee Gray button layouts. And it's simply Likee is allow all people to share in public and report it on other social media with an ID. And some video may be a gray icon appearing and we cannot save it. So in this video tutorial today, I will teach you how to completely save the gray button videos. The link has been copied and it will open the Instagram immediately. But you don't need to use the Instagram, so you have to go back by clicking closing. And now let's check inside the photo gallery here, and we see the video is already downloaded. So this is the solution that for the people that have a problem with the grayouts save videos in Likee. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.